To say the last couple of years in education have been difficult would be a gross understatement. Now, even in the beginning of this year, how many of us were excited to finally be back in the classroom, to finally be with students, to finally be back at what we do best, which is to teach?
Yay, teaching!
But then for how many of us has this just not gone the way that we had planned? My friends at HMH approached me about putting on a workshop that would be free for all teachers, where we would work on this idea of how do we prioritize the you in us. Meaning, how are we loving ourselves so that we can show up and be the best version of ourselves in our school, for our students, our staff, and our community? But like a lot of other things in the world, I think that creating meaningful change doesn't have to just be in these big giant doses. I think it is changing small, everyday tasks that have a huge effect over time. So at the perfect time of the year, after the winter break has worn off and things are starting to get real again,
It is about to get real.
we have created a free workshop for you and for all of your teacher friends to help you to not only survive the rest of this school year, but to thrive through to the end of the school year. Please let your friends and teacher friends know about this event because we are so excited to see you there.